If you are watching this video, I believe you already have your Binance account already created. So, if you already have it created, as you can see, this account is already verified. This is my own account. So, let me take you through the step-by-step tutorial, step-by-step guide on how to verify your own Binance account using your national identification number. Please watch this video to the end, and if you are actually a new subscriber, if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. So I'll be using an account that is not yet verified to take you through the step-by-step tutorial on how you can use your own NIN to verify your Binance account. Now I've already logged into the account, so I will click on continue to start the processes. So you read all the instruction below, then you take the picture at the front of your NIN number. You take it clearly, you make sure that everything is actually clear, it's bold enough, then you are going to snap it. So at the back of the NIN too, you are going to make sure that the back is not plain. In case your own NIN, its back is plain, so you can get a downloaded copy of NIN that actually have a black back slip, so you can use it for your own verification in case you get the white. But here, so as you can see, here is the white, here is the back. So it have the logo, the NIMC logo, and I already uploaded it. So after this, then you are going to take a selfie. You are going to take your selfie. Make sure you are actually looking directly to the camera, direct to the camera, as if you want to take a photo passport. You are not going to be looking at the person, you are going to be facing the camera so that it can read your iris. So, and after taking the selfie, you are going to follow the robot instruction that is going to tell you that you should open your mouth, turn left or turn right. So just make sure that you are being slow with the on-screen instruction. So you just make sure that you follow it carefully. Don't worry, everything I'm going to show you here. So here is it. For the selfie part, you click on start verification tool, and then you are going to place your head at the center, yes, at the center of this frame that you're actually watching, and then you will look straight to the camera and you snap, and then your application will be under review. So it will just take up to 5 to 6 minutes for the whole verification to be complete, and you'll be emailed about the progress of your account in the next 3 to 5 minutes of the verification. As you can see, here is the bank abstraction.